Hey you guys, so welcome to my first vlog of 2020. So, or did I just say 2020? I meant to say 2021. I don't know why I'm trying to put myself back in 2020. That's a no. So anyways, welcome to the first vlog of this year. I'm super excited. Obviously, like, you know, we can't go out a lot of places or any places right now. Like, California's pretty strict, but I still wanted to vlog and like let you guys know like what everyday life is like for me. A lot of you guys asked to get to know me a little bit more personal, so I think it would be cool too, and it'll be cool to like document all this crazy stuff, even if it's, you know, like stuff at home. We are in my filming room slash office slash all of that stuff, because that's what I get done here in the pink room. Yes, we believe in pink over here, okay? But anyways, I wanted to show you guys my little area. It does look a little bit crazy, so don't judge me, because I don't have everything like together, okay? Like, I need to even get my office space together because I want to change that, and I'm in the process of changing a lot of stuff, but yeah. Okay, so this is the first order of business. I don't know why it's not focusing that well, but this is the first order of business. Yeah, so as you guys can see, like, it's kind of like a hotmess.com. But anyways, this is what I was changing, because I used to have the black backdrop. And for those of you who ask me, I always say it when people ask me, I get fabric and I make my own background. So I pretty much like attach it to the whole wall. So yeah, I did want to share with you guys like some wigs that I got. I think that it'll be cool like if I share some stuff with you guys in the vlog. So this time I think I have some accessories I'm going to share with you guys, because it's actually owned by a YouTuber, and then the other one is owned by my or it's like a company that she sells for. But so the next vlog I'll share with you guys the accessories, but for this vlog I'm going to share with you guys some wigs that I picked up, so you guys are you know, gonna know which wigs I got. So I'm gonna do like a mini haul. 3 of the wigs, or 4, I can't remember, but I'll let you guys know like where they're from and everything. But some of the wigs are going to be PR. So anywho, got this one I already opened, and then got this and another one from an Amazon seller. I also, this one. So next we have VB-H Hulu, and I have it in the color number 1B. So this one is looking cute. I cannot wait to review them. Make sure you guys watch the review videos. I don't know if this vlog is going on first or if the review video is going on first, but yeah, just make sure you watch either way. And then there's one more headband wig. This is also of course by Zuri, and this one is called VB-H IO or AO, and this one is in a 1B as well. This one's like a bob one, so I'm excited for that too. Then last but not least, we have the DR-H Bang Crimp 30 in the color number 1B. So I'm really excited to play around with this one, because I have some ideas in mind. So hopefully it all goes to plan, because like I really have like plans for this wig. So next, moving on to this Amazon wig. So I don't know, I know this is not the name of the company. I forgot the name of the company, but I know this is not the name. I don't know, you guys need to start like putting your company's name. Let me see if it's on the card. Of course, when I review it, I'll share all that information with you guys and links and everything. So yeah, it's a card here and there's no name. Like, you guys need to start putting your name on here, because that's, I don't know. But anyways, it came with this little fishnet stocking cap, which I really love, especially like after I wash and blow dry my leave out. I love to put the netted ones on before I put my regular wig caps on, so thank you to that for that. Then it came with this silk bag to store the wig in, which I love it because it's pink, so of course I love it. And this is an 18-inch body wave wig. So I just take it out and show you guys, since it's just one of these. And then it's gonna look completely different anyways, because I'm gonna like bleach the knots and style it. I have plans for this wig too. Hopefully it goes to plan. But yeah, so this is it straight out of the box. So then next up, this is from Sitting Pretty. She sent me over 2 wigs, so shout out to you, girl. I absolutely love her wigs. If you guys don't remember, I did do a dread unit by her, and it was absolute perfection. Like that, like the wigs are plucked to perfection, okay? Like, it melts into your skin and looks bomb. So definitely check out Sitting Pretty Hair. I'll definitely I think that's the name of it. I'll have the link for sure in the description box below. But anyway, she sent me over a hat wig. She told me in the email, that's how I know, but she sent me over a hat wig, and as well she sent me over a headband wig, and they're both braided, so that's exciting. I honestly have worn this one a couple times because I just couldn't wait, but this one is a beanie hat wig with bomb braids. Like, these are hand braided, y'all. Like, look at this. So freaking bomb. Like, the quality is everything, and I love this wig. Like I said, I've already worn it, to be quite honest. So yeah, but I haven't worn the headband wig or even taken it out. Like, I took this one out like the day I got it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to wear this. So, but anyways, it's super long too. Like, I think it's like 24 inches or longer. So yeah, this is the beanie braided wig. Oh, and then she sent something else. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm acting like I thought it was like a bunch of headbands. So this looks like a handmade headband, and then it has a matching mask. Like, y'all, I'm gonna be thinking I'm so freaking cute with this. Like, look at this and the quality on this, and you can tell that it is handmade. Like, this is so freaking bomb. Like, look at that. And the headband does have elastic, so it will stretch, and the print, oh my gosh. Yeah. So let me show you guys the headband braided wig. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at the color. Wow. And it's long, 2 inches. But yeah, look at these braids, y'all. Look at this. Gorgeous. Okay, and last but not least, for what I'm going to show you guys in this video with my little hair haul. I guess this vlog kind of turned into a hair haul. This is from Amazon. I can't remember the name of the company. Obviously, when I review it, I am gonna say the name of the company, but I cannot remember the name for some reason. Oh, I see they sent me some gold hoops. That's the first thing I see, so thank you and shout out to you guys for that, because who does not need like a medium-sized pair of gold hoops? Like, yes, thank you. I'm gonna have to put it back so I can show it too when I do the actual video. But oh, okay, yeah, so this is the headband wig one. Woo, this is gonna be big. I don't even want to take it out, but I could tell this is going to be pretty darn big. Oh, that is so different. Okay, so this headband wig come with a cheetah print one already on there, and it's the Velcro. That's pretty cool though, because I feel like it's small enough, like if you still want to put your own headband, but I think it's cool that it comes with a pattern one. That's definitely something I've never seen before, so that's pretty cool. I'm trying to think if I should just share the accessories with you guys. I have some stuff I want to share with you guys. No, but you know what? It is one more. Since it's hair related, I'm going to go ahead and share these with you guys. Okay, you guys. So this is what I want to share with you guys. So these are the Conair Infinity Pro hot rollers. So I used to always use hot rollers because when I would go out, I would like go out after work sometimes, and I don't have time to sit up there and like, and this was like way back in my younger days, but anyways, I used to go out and I didn't have time to sit up there and just be, you know, trying to curl my hair and all that. So I would always use hot rollers. Well, I got kind of discouraged and I started curling my hair with a manual curling iron, because I started being more into like hair that was longer than 20 inches even, because it was fine, you know, with like 18-inch hair and stuff like that. But I started being into longer hair, so it just wasn't working anymore. So I started to not use my hot rollers anymore and just gravitate towards the regular curl barrel. So I found these, and these are actually longer. Well, they're supposed to be longer, and that's how they look on the picture, so we're gonna find out right now together. But yeah, like these are supposed to be for long hair. So yeah, these are the, and I got them from Walmart. So these ones are the Infinity Pro. Okay, so I like this bag already. It's looking pretty nice. So here is the bag. What in the world? Look at how this came, y'all. Like, it's like a bunch of cardboard box in here. Okay, so these are for longer hair. Okay, let me take off all of this paper and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I know the camera is positioned differently, but anyways, that was a lot of work. Like, I had to do so much just to get the dang on paper, and I haven't even done the other one yet. But anyway, so here are the rollers. So this one comes with 2 different sizes, and they are the same height. And then they also come with the clips, of course, to keep your hair on there. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys. So I love the fact that these are longer. I'm excited to use them. But anyway, so this is how they come. So this one is a little bit like skinnier, obviously, and then this one is a little bigger. And let me show you guys. So the cord comes out of the back of the bag. And then you will just place them onto here, and they will, you know, heat up and everything. And I do want to compare it. So I have my my Remington, excuse me, my Remington ones, and I have 2 boxes of these as well, because girl, volume is important when it comes to curls, okay? Like, so I always have to have 2. But anyway, so these are it, and I just want to show you guys like the comparison. So this is how these look, and these work really, really well. I love these, and I've tried like so many different hot rollers like back in the day, and these honestly have been the best. I had some Conair ones that was really good too, but I used them so much that I like broke them. So, and I had them for years, so I expect them to break. But Conair and Remington are like the best brands to go with for these curling thingies. If you guys notice, these are like super duper small, okay? Like, I'll even take off the comb for you so you can see. Like, oh, I must have been heating these up too long. Like, look at the comb, it's like melting. But anyways, so yeah, these are like so freaking small, and they work like on shorter hair. Like, if it's like 20 or 18 inches and under, these work perfectly. But however, like, obviously you guys know I love my long hair, so I have to have something that is, you know, bigger. So here is the skinny one and the skinny one next to each other, so you guys see there's like a huge difference in, you know, size wise. And then here is the fatter one. Fatter. The bigger one. So yeah, so here's the larger size rolling iron, or rollers next to each other, so you guys see the difference is big. Like, this is like double this size, which is great for long hair. So that's why I wanted those, and of course I'll be doing a video with you guys on those, because I feel like it's super beginner friendly. And also, like, sometimes I just don't, like, sometimes I am in the mood to curl my hair, but most of the time it's like, nah, like, I'm not, even though we have time, I'm just not in the mood. So yeah, like, these are gonna be angels for me. Yeah, my vlog camera is dying, and I feel like this vlog is like super duper long, but I just wanted to come to you guys, like, and just share with you guys like some of the stuff that I got, and see if maybe you guys will find some see something that you want or something. I know I haven't done the wig reviews yet, so you probably, I don't know if you're watching this before I do the wig reviews or not, but yeah, like, so hopefully I do get them up before you see this video, so that I can just go ahead and link them so you guys can see if you guys want them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy like this kind of chill, laid back vibe. Like, I'm even looking raggedy with my little scarf on and everything, but I just wanted to come and share those things with you guys, because I feel like I don't share enough with you guys. So yeah, and I definitely wanted to share these with you guys because I'm super excited about them, and I can't wait to feature them in a video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Before my camera dies, if you guys did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or you just want to tell me something. Tell me. I definitely want to know and communicate with you guys. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and make sure you hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, and you definitely don't want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, until the next video, I'll see you guys later.